Look, Turbo Girl, there are some eggs here. Can you tell me how many eggs are there altogether?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 50 eggs.
Very good, Turbo Girl. You still remember how to count by tens. Now, Turbo Girl, what happens if each tray contains 100 eggs? How would you count the total number of eggs?
Let me try. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Wow, there are too many to count by tens, teacher.
Well, you can count by hundreds.
How do I do that, teacher? Teach me, please.
Oh, it's very simple. Let me show you. When we count in tens, we go 10, 20, 30, and so on. When we count in hundreds, we go 100, 200, 300.
400, 500, and so on.
That's right. Now try to count the number of eggs on the trays again.
Since there are 100 eggs on a tray, I will count them by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. There are 500 eggs altogether.
Very good, Turbo Girl. Look, the workers have packed the cubes into the boxes. In each box, there are 100 cubes. I have here 67 cubes, and there are 7 more boxes. How many cubes are there altogether?
7 boxes, 100 each. So if I count in hundreds, it'll be 67, 167, 267, 367, 467, 567, 667, 767. There are 767 cubes altogether.
Very good. What have you noticed from the numbers you read out as you count?
Only the first digit is changing.
Good observation. The digit in the hundreds place changes as we count on in hundreds. Look here, the tennis balls are kept in baskets. Each basket contains 100 tennis balls. What is the total number of tennis balls?
There are 10 baskets here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. There are 1000 tennis balls.
Well done, Turbo Girl. So you know that 10 hundreds make 1000. These are some cubes. I have them in 100, 10, and 1. Take a look at these cubes. Can you tell me what is the total number of cubes?
This is easy. The total is 210.
Good job, Turbo Girl. Now let me give you a test.
Is it difficult?
Don't worry, Turbo Girl. As long as you have been paying attention, you will not find it difficult. Ready?
Yes.
Can you count the number of cubes and write down the number?
Easy. There are 325 cubes. I can write 25, but I am not so sure about 325.
Well, 325 means that there are 3 hundreds in the number, so you have to write a 3 in the hundreds place.
Is this correct, teacher?
Yes, you are right. Next, how many cubes are there?
There are 966 cubes. I have to write down a 9 for 900 and 2 6 for 66.
Very good. One more question.
No problem. There are 802 cubes and I have written the number.
You have written the number 82. Now, there should be 3 digits in all numbers that are in the hundreds.
So how should I write it?
You should write an 8 for 800, followed by 0 as there are no tens, and end it with a 2.
I see, teacher. I understand now.
Finally, how do you write 10 hundredths in number? And how do you read it?
Well, 10 hundredths is 1,000, and I write 10 in the hundredths place and write 2 zeros behind it.
Good work, Turbo Girl. Hey, I'm gonna teach you how to read and write numbers in words. Look at this number.
It is 548.
Correct. We write it in words like this. Can you read the words for me?
Teacher, what is the words after 5?
That word is 100.
Okay, so it is 548. It reads exactly like as in numbers.
Glad that you noticed that. Try writing this number in words.
The number is 605, and it is written like this in words. SIXHUNDREDANDFIVE.
Very good.
It is quite easy, really. Once I can spell 100, I don't have to worry because the rest I have learnt in primary 1.
Great. Can you write down in words 923?
NINEHUNDREDANDY-THREE.
You're done well, Turbo Girl. Now, do you think you're able to write the number down if I show you the words?
I should be able to.
Good. What is the number for this?
It is 316. I write 316.
Next.
It is 112. 112.
You are doing well. Last one.
That is 861. 861.
Well